Want to start your career in Bangalore city? Then why let? Watch this video to know about medical coding companies in Namma Bengaluru.
Bangalore is famous being a Silicon Valley of India and a well-known IT hub in our country. It is very familiar to everyone for its cool climate.
Today, we are presenting 20 plus medical coding companies in Bangalore. All these companies are sequenced according to the alphabetical order.
The first one is ACN Healthcare, maintaining its operational activities from Mahadevpura.
Next, Accusis Company, located in Dollars Chamber, Lalbagh Road.
And Austin Company, maintaining operations from Kasturba Road.
Next company is Calpion, doing its operational activities from JP Nagar.
Coming to Cognizant Company, located at JP Nagar.
And next, Flatworld, situated at Banaswadi Main Road.
Next, Founders Health, maintaining operations from Lavali Road.
Hinduja Global Solutions, maintaining operational and managerial activities from Bommanhalli.
And next company, Logix Health, that conducting its operational and managerial activities from Domalur.
Lloyd Solutions, doing its operations from Sampanginagar, Fanwood.
Hey guys, so want to make your career in medical coding with full-fledged knowledge? The best choice is ThoughtFirst Medical Coding Training Academy. Our innovative models give you a best path in this field.
Coming to the next company, it's M Model, operating from Armani Nagar.
Next company is NYX. It's doing its operation from Shivan Chetty Gardens.
OG Healthcare, located at Bhoopsandra, Sanjay Nagar.
And next, Omega Healthcare, maintaining operational and managerial activities from Murugesh Palia.
Optum Global Solutions, located at JP Nagar.
Ospro Software Solutions, located at Whitefield.
And next, Product Company, maintaining activities from BTM Layout.
Symmetric Company, located at Kodihalli.
United Healthcare, maintaining operations from Kodihalli.
And V Technologies, maintaining operations from Millets Road.
Finally, Excel Health, located at Adugodi.
These are the medical coding companies which are present in Bangalore. If you know any company and that was not listed here, you can provide information in comment section.
Get updates on medical coding by subscribing to our YouTube channel. All information about this field you will get here.
Do follow us on Facebook, Insta, Twitter to get engaged with medical coding updates. Thank you so much and we'll meet you next session. Bye bye. Take care.